Look, Adri, what's this?
Apple.
Apple. Yes. What's this?
Banana.
Banana. That's right. Let me show you something else that you know. What's this? Fish. That's right. You gotta learn the rest of them. I don't know. That's an eggplant. That's a carrot. Carrot. It's a carrot. And this is a tomato. It looks like an apple, but it's a tomato.
Banana.
Yes, a banana. What's this? Cheese. That's right. What's that, Adri? Huh? What's that? What's that? E-I. What's this? What's this? Book. Say E-I. Let's see. Do you know what these are? What is that? That's a hat. Right. That is so right. That is a hat. What else do you see in here? Yeah, that's not a hat. Look at this one. What's this? It's a monkey. Good job. What monkey say? Eek, eek. Good job. Good job. Look over here. Come here. Look. Who is this? Who is this? Look at that. Who is that? Who is that? Yes, that's Adri. Hi. Look at these, Adri. Wow. Look. Wow. It's an instrument. Woo. Uh-oh, be careful. Whoa. Good job, boo. You shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. What you got there? Can't pick all of them up. Where you going? Where you going? Thank you, boo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, what's that? What's this? Circle. Good job. Do you know what this one is? What's this one? Square. Good job. And what's that one? Circle. Circle. Good job. Yes. Circle. Wow, what's that? What's that? It's a block. Yes. Whoa. Uh-oh. You gonna have a seat? Be careful. Adri. Adri, what's this? Baby. You give the baby a hug? Good job. You want to hold the baby? Baby.
Are you busy in the garden, my friend?
Looking out the window?
Ben, do you want to read a story about a snake? Come on.
Hi. The baby crying. Wah, wah, wah.
Come here. Right here.
Wah, wah, wah. The baby crying. What do you do with the baby? Oh no.
Why was your class field trip to the farm?
Hat. That's right. It's on backwards. Ooh, you can see in the mirror. The garden. It's a shovel. Be careful, boo. You see the potatoes? Careful, you keep losing your balance.